Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera. Right now we are in the standard photo mode. The mode does not really matter, we will still have to enter more options. I just wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. So now let's enter the settings in the right upper corner and then go to more settings, so again in the right upper corner. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on restore defaults and tap on confirm. Now, after getting back, you can see that the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.